Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. I'm not in the loft, I'm in the workroom at the moment. I'm just getting my wall kits together. I'll take them up as a kit and fit them all at the same time. I've got to watch the time because I've got a premiere. I've scheduled a movie, the last movie, to run at, let's have a look, see what time is it, 18:45, so I must be there because it's kind of like a live. It's people will be watching and texting at the same time, so yeah, I've got to be careful that I don't get too engrossed in my walls and miss it. What we're looking like, yeah, very good, cool. There we go, that's our walls. This is super quick paper. What's your preference if you use brick papers and that? What's your preference? I mean, super quick I've been going since I was a child. That's why I seem to use them all the time, because I'm always like got cut-offs and bits left over, so I just order another packet of red brick or tiles or whatever. I'm just wondering what your preference is. Is there anything better than super quick? I have tried a few bits out of the is it the Metcalf kits, and they seem quite a nice paper, a bit thicker than super quick, because super quick is really, I mean, it really is thin. Right, so I've got to make 2 buttresses and then put some detailing strips in just to make it look groovy, so back in a minute. There we go, moving on a bit further. Some soldier bricks or capping stones, I don't know what they are, I'm not a builder. But yeah, makes them look a bit better, doesn't it? Now I need 2 uprights, 2 buttresses, yeah, that's what I want to call them, buttresses. Put this lot over here for now. And I want a thick cardboard. Look at this, it's about it's a good over 3 mil thick, so 3 buttresses coming, 2 buttresses. Oh, that is strange. It stops here every time, yet this track is absolutely clean. How dare you? You've done that because you was under the camera, weren't you? There we go, up the incline, here we go. That's 1 full circuit for the area. Yeah, this stuff does take some chopping through. 3 mil. Is that safety ruler again, which I mentioned. It doesn't move, it doesn't slip, it doesn't slide, and your fingers are pretty much out the way of danger. Even if you've got to move, look, it doesn't move at all. Come on, come on. God, can't wait for my laser cutter to get going. All these things I've got to do. Last go. Yes! There we go, the first part of the kit is ready to go to the loft. Not sure about these, but we'll see how they look when they're in position. I need quite a few bits to take with me. see you up in the loft after I've washed my brushes. Well, I can't believe how quickly that went in. Bosh, 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 bosh. Oh, that was great. Fit my little road bridge in there. Alright, I'll take a picture from a bit further away. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. It's going to make a difference. Well, I daren't touch it, it's absolutely all soaking wet. But yeah, there we go. This viaduct is getting longer. Embankment. Brick embankment. I'm going to be here next. Oh dearie me. Onwards and upwards. Well, welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's the next day. It's amazing how much you forget from one day to the next. I was so pleased to see this. Most of the glue is dry, so I'm going to carry on with this project. No trains running today, but we can have some little clips of previous run sessions put in just to keep it interesting. Thanks for all my replies for my scheduled whatever it was video I done the other day. So many people got onto me for the electrics, which was great. That was Rob and Bob and a few others. Thanks very much. It's given me some ideas actually. So onwards we go. Let's do some more. I might even do some ballasting as well. Let's see how much I can get done here. Bit of a waddle with this one. Right, back down in the model room. Postman's bin again. Oh, what's he bought this time? Some crocodile clips. This is this evening's project, to be joined to some bulbs. So I'll be able to clamp. I'll be able to connect to the tracks with the crocodile clip and see where my power's going. That will make a lot of sense. So help me work out the relays and the points working together. So that's this evening's project. I just started making up another kit. This is a spacer because the viaduct needs a bit of clearance because I've got my Coronation Scots. I've got a really long front hangover, and if I don't put this on the edge of the embankment, it's going to be nearly touching the wall, which is a bit of a problem. So let's go and stick these spacers on and then come back down and do the walls for the other side of the viaduct. So onwards and upwards. There she goes. Right, here's our next kit going to the loft. Let's go and fit this little lot. This should liven up the old viaduct. Embankment. What should I call it? I've got a good bit of progress today. What my problem was overhang on the corner. This buffer's overhanging the rail by maybe as much as like 15 to 20 mil, and that's the edge of the real board there. And I had to put in a fillet of cork, which is about 8mm thick at a guess. I used contact adhesive for that, and then I've got my backing wall now, which I'm really pleased with. Need some stone work to go along the top, and wow, look at that. Yeah, I'm coming back up. This is my dinner time now, and I'll be back up to do a bit more, and I might be putting up another video. Well, I'm ready to go back to the loft with my coping stones, topping stones, don't bother trying to tell me what they are, and my buttress tops. So I'm going to go and fit them, but after dinner. So yeah, dinner first. Had my dinner. And yeah, there's a couple of pieces I want to change and add to. I want another 2 top stones, one for on this end and one for right up that end. I'm going to add wall between that girder plate bridge there, the steel plate bridge, and that second rear tunnel entrance, bridge entrance. I'm going to put the same wall in there, just that section. Yeah, so I'm quite pleased with the progress made here. I was going to run some ballast from this bridge right the way round to the tunnel mouth, but well, basically I've run out of time. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. I want to shut down now. I'm going to put this video up because it's probably quite a long one. Yeah, happy. Happy. Oh, Alan out. Yeah, more tomorrow. Yeah, more wall, and yeah, see what happens tomorrow. I'm up here again. Bye, Alan out. Come on now, darling. Wrong one. Let's try this one. You've already done that one, Al, you silly old sod. Billy, in there.